Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into Bitcoin.com wallet account. So if you also want to log into Bitcoin.com wallet account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open your Bitcoin.com application. You can see over here Bitcoin.com is opened. Now what you have to do is tap on the settings icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. Now here you can see option for sign in. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can either sign in with Google or enter your email. Tap on the sign in with Google option if you want to sign in with Google, or you can also enter your email. Here I'm going to tap on sign in with Google. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll have to choose an account. Now after the authentication, you'll be signed in your account. Now you can enjoy the app. So that is how you log into Bitcoin.com wallet account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.